Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Candis. We just moved to Thailand a couple months ago and we are loving it. In this video, I'm going to take you through what a day looks like after I drop the kids off at school. I will be doing more of these, but more like detailed ones. Stay tuned for those videos coming up and let's get started. Start the day off bright and early by jumping in the golf cart to take the kids to school. It's already pretty warm this early in the morning, but I love it. I'd rather be hot than cold. This is what some of the route looks like on the way to their school. You'll see a ton of kids riding their bikes to school, walking to school, riding their scooters, or going by golf cart. The boys want to ride their bikes to school, so we are going to get them some new bikes soon. All right, we're back home from dropping the kids off, and I just ordered this bagel sandwich that I cannot get away from. It's so simple, but so good. It's a whole wheat bagel with grilled chicken, bacon, lettuce, tomato, onion, mushroom, and Thai spicy sauce. So good. Recently got a couple packages in the mail, one being these stems that everybody talked about, everybody loved and said they were so good. So I ordered them and I actually wasn't as impressed as I thought I was gonna be. Look a little bit too fake, but I'm still gonna use them. Then I ordered this wooden tray for my kitchen along with these glass containers that also come with labels, and I'm gonna use that for coffee syrup. And as you can see, we still have temporary furniture. We are still waiting on our shipment to arrive. Hopefully it arrives soon because I am so ready to see my own things. We have a ton of windows around our house and in every room, but this is my favorite part of the house because of the floor to ceiling windows and just the amount of light that comes into this room. This is our living room. I'm gonna do a quick vacuum because I'm starting to see and feel dust, dirt, just random things on the floor. You can't tell on camera, but trust me, it's there. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna wipe down the coffee table because we do eat snacks in here, and then I'm gonna move on to the other living room. This is the multi-surface spray I've been using like crazy. I've already gone through a couple of these, but I've been using it on all surfaces, especially in the kitchen and at the table, the coffee tables, the side tables. It's antibacterial, so it does kill germs and it's safe. This is actually a UK brand, but I see it everywhere here. I tried to look it up on Amazon to link it for you guys, but I couldn't find it. But anything else that I find cleaning wise or whatever here that I don't normally see back home, I will try to see if it's available on Amazon and I will have it linked. This is another sitting area in our house with more temporary furniture. Just keep in mind, all the furniture that you see is not ours, just how the house came. It's fully furnished, and believe it or not, most of the furniture in this house is from Ethan Allen. I would have never known that until I saw the Ethan Allen tags on a lot of the furniture, because a lot of this furniture is brand new. Not all of it, but most of it is. That window over there is actually a sliding door to the outside. We have multiple entrances to our home. After this, I'm going to move on to some little things I need to do around the house that are pretty self-explanatory.
There's a feeling
had an appointment to get my nails done at the cutest 3-story beauty boutique where they do everything from hair, nails, brows, lashes, and they also have some spa services. A gel manicure for only $15. And believe it or not, there are places here that you can get it even cheaper. It's already time to pick up the kids from school. This is actually a few hours after school has already been over because of their after school sports and activities. Blake is in gymnastics at school, so I'm going to pick him up now. I'll give you a few glimpses of the school. Here's the parking lot, or part of it, and then we're gonna get out and then walk through part of the campus to get to gymnastics. We made it to the sports complex where gymnastics is, and I'm going to give you a quick look at the Olympic-sized pool. Fruit here is so good. We are back home for a quick snack before I have to go pick up Brayden. Blake decided to have a bowl of avocado with lemon juice and salt. This is actually on a different day because I forgot to film me picking up Brayden from soccer practice the other day, so I just did it on this day. So we recently went to a furniture store, and at that furniture store they had a whole section for shoe cabinets. And you guys know we do not wear shoes in our house. And if you didn't know, it's actually a thing in this country that they don't wear shoes in their house and in certain establishments. The majority of the shoes in this cabinet are the kids' shoes, but me and Brandon do have a couple pair that we like to keep down here. The majority of our shoes will probably stay upstairs in our closet once the rest of our stuff comes. Since we have zero decor at our house right now, I'm just going to use the few things that I recently bought to decorate this cabinet. That picture, you guys know I got that from IKEA along with that vase, and then those stems, I just unboxed those in this video. This lamp is actually supposed to go in my shower. A rechargeable, cordless, waterproof lamp. You can put it anywhere. I'm not ready to decorate my bathroom just yet. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do in there. So for now, I'm gonna set it on top of this cabinet, and so far we've used it every night because of the level of brightness that it provides. This little corner over here, it's all temporary, but I am still loving this little corner. Before I end the video, I want to share with you guys a little bit of Thailand. We went to this restaurant called The Big Tree, an indoor-outdoor restaurant. A lot of the restaurants here are like that, and they're all very kid-friendly. They had swings here. There was an area where you can look at bunny rabbits and goats. There's a playground. There even was a little pool that they do swimming lessons. They had a pond that goes through the outdoor area of the restaurant with a ton of fish that you're able to feed. But the kids were able to roam around while waiting on our food, and they also had some live music going on. Food was also really good. I couldn't tell you the exact names of everything, but it was so good. We ate almost everything on the table. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.